back live. I come back live for someone who got to low life with blood clot skirmish girl. We sit down, I want to know where I'm going in a people's life. I want to see people scream out. Rebel and stand up for where I'm going and put them hand up for where I'm going and I want to bash them. Listen to me very carefully, yeah? You see, all I know that they were bash me and I said this and I said that. The other half has never been blood clot tool. I said to everybody take me for aga one shit or so one dog shit. Me then I want corner they say John and no blood clot body in the system me a John cause I'm loud. I'm a vulgar, I'm a awful. Ask my friend them. Charmaine was a living witness before Dewey come to England. When Dewey blood clot, me drink the liquor, the backlot liquor, just drink the blood clot there and turn over for 2 hours and all Charmaine and nurse me and the woman call me and pray for me. I want to blood clot, you know, nothing me I sit down forever, me no man style blood clot me. And me I cover up, I try work, and see now blood clot work and shame. And sit down and so and I laugh after blood clots me. Cause me I laugh with myself. And from me seem right, me if I move my blood clot, me I diss up your blood clot. You want to lap your blood clot fractal and class me, do it? Do it. You never stand by me on the internet. You run from me. Yesterday when I see you running, I say again. And the same thing you do at the airport because I'm loud up on you, you run and left the blood clot suitcase. And then when me you go to Jamaica, you come back blood clot, me I go tell me say your brother and your mother say. Them no want me at them yard. Do it, you're my husband. You supposed to find someone for put me. But unfortunately, the table turned. That's me. I have to find my own resident. You're a married man. And when you're married, you're supposed to find someone for your wife. But instead of that, I can come tell me about my mother and my brother say. Why you think my blood clot sit down and I rebel and attack out every blood clot thing? Because I sit down and clog up everything and I take the liberty one I take with me. Do it. Me have my money at Jamaica, can't go to hotel for 2 weeks. Me have my mother house so she can't put me out there. Me have my next house a blood clot one time when me can't go over go stay do it. And me can't go to St. Thomas go stay my father up a seafood up a Greenwall. And then me have my mother, father, people them house. My mother house at St. Thomas. Dewey and your mother. Dewey and my Dewey mother and Dewey blood clot brother. One style blood clot me the last 2 weeks. And one heap of thing in that game I in the pack. So me and the dirty blood clot skirmish I come blood clot labor man I come tell me what you think about where I reach in my life. Let me tell you the one blood clot no. When I get a cup of water and sit down and want popcorn and listen blood clot mix up kind of like people blood clot dirty disgrace. So let me tell you from the dirty blood clot husband come compete with me I go tell me say don't blood clot on popcorn. When popcorn say few little IG followers and them think them a celebrity, my head chip. I say my head chip when me see you right back. A blood clot compete with me when you can't stand up by me as a husband. You run left blood clot, me and follow critics and what everybody attacks say. You know remember no goodness, nothing at all what me do, you know remember? I just the internet out at the airport, but me beat you, which one me blood clot beat you? You know stand up at airport like blood clot. The man who you are. Me not sing up part. Hey! My free finger and blood clot disengage. When me have no mind, when me have my husband, me steer me and blood clot. His mama come tell me about people say everywhere me them him have to dead with me. And then you have the heart to tell me back where everybody say. How the fuck you expect me to feel? I want to and then I go come tell me for move my blood clot. You move your dirty blood clot to your mother, your baby father, your baby mother, your brother. What do you want on a blood clot chat me what do you like me kill it? Do we go suck him blood clot self and no ask me for do it. Nobody no ask me for blood clot do we and call doing name to me. My dying for stop call doing name. Yeah, you want blood clot mix up with the one you deceive and I said to you say do we deal with me with respect. Cause if you don't deal with me with respect, me I go wreck the blood clot marriage and label it as the worst blood clot marriage ever. This is the worst blood clot marriage ever cause of people they make mash up me and you. You see all on the gang? You see I not get do it. And sister doing now go downstairs see a cup of blood clot water. When you guys see the pangs of blood clot, when me go through and did a suck salt through with a spoon through mad because I'm frightened over this. I'm matter of blood clot for me, I carry this go dash of this pussy clot tomorrow. Me no want blood clot that. But telling her back to the reason now. Really calm down. And humble yourself. Wait a minute, I go get a split. I want a split. Blood clot, God help you if you come a friend, come stand by me, I run up and down like chicken. Like me have gun, I run you down and like me I abuse you. Tell them I the abuse this blood clot one. But to me loud. Queenie, calm yourself. Tell them. Oh yeah, come tell me about me for move my blood clot. Yeah, your baby mother, your brother, your mama, the whole I wanna move on a dirty blood clot. I wanna be working shit house, you know. I wanna mash up my blood clot life. I wanna get into the boy head because I know I'm easily influenced. All your dirty blood clot, brother, tell your brother, me no want come on a blood clot house. You hear that? When I live blood clot bad na blood clot, me I fuck up everything. Me not give a fuck on me alone now get fuck. Me a nasty up on a nasty blood clot and I come go like on a good. I come class blood clot good me will help on the son. Says your blood clot son this me. No blood clot. You should have tell your son. Say I'm a married man and I'm responsible for him wife. For put me up no for the day I laugh after me I come talk about me want come on the yard at Jamaica where there. And me did want come on the yard. Want come on the yard come to blood clot. I don't know see my mama yard she have a she alone itching there. I don't see it. On the outside than a blood clot enough liberty to take with me and I need the quiet. I'm a whole it and I say no. This if I see the boy tell me say me first move my blood clot. Me say oh. Me did warn you from today. Say do it, don't disrespect me, do it cause me deal with you the darnest blood clot we. Remember me a woman you know do it. You can't blood clot size up with me. The only thing you can do is shoot blood clot me. And you have to go to Jamaica, dig up your blood clot, rust the gun, do it. Do it, me not afraid of blood clot you. You're afraid of Ch3at and her family them. Me not afraid of Ch3at and her family down at Painland. Them intimidate blood clot you and put in your shell. Look for me. Me not have no blood clot fear. I mean not talk with water in my mouth. Dry your mouth, Queenie. I'm not afraid of none of blood clot. And I make sure talk. Say Ch3at. Say she gonna make her friend them shoot blood clot. Me her family them shoot me down a Painland. Dewey and Scarlett tell me blood clot that in my ear saying baby mother sister. You don't know when me I got you in my blood clot life? Ch3at, me never take you from blood clot, Dewey. Yeah, you ways America now look and do it. And me come and do tell me say don't him having be a man and him and her don't deal because whatever and him tell her say don't make the table turn. So now me come, me at the table will turn. And that your blood clot tell me. I say alright. Since as you not have nobody and nobody not take no interest in you. Nobody me not say I take no interest in you. Not even close doing that. Me say do it. You have so much girl from America and you damn way diss me. From Canada and you damn way diss me. You don't even beg them buy you 2 little Marina, 2 little earrings Marina. Ask me if I lie, me I tell. Yes, some material things do, but everything count, me darling. So me come now and take you up care, you know. Take care of blood clot, you make you put on little weight. And you want to style blood clot me. You want to sit from man and doing that phone in the car, you know. Can you imagine you know, you have a husband where you try make up things with and him there on the phone all day in the car, nothing wrong, you're your own big man and you take your freedom. But do it, come on. You're there on the phone, I'm going to cook the food today and say to do it, say if you want the food, but see me in the car all long enough, I'm going to knock the window and say, babe, you want food here now? No! And when him come off my phone, I say, do you don't even ask me when I cook. You don't even ask me when I cook, you just jump and say no. And you just dip on the phone, dip on the blood clot phone, so me no must feel intimidated and threatened. If you see you not talk to me, you not relate to me, you not counsel me no matter what I ask you what crazy me not know no. Crazy, anything you want do you know crazy. I saw you talk to me with ignorance. And you cock up on blood clot phone with the bleach out girl, me see this evening. She know herself, she must dip on the live. And I say, wow. Whether or not look on the money as blood clots, cunning, he's your wife, respect me. If that's the things that work out, I may try work it out. Oh, you have blood clot. I run like one blood clot headless chicken. You don't want a blood clot headless chicken. You think your cocky is all? Go and go get the cocky bully them. I love blood clot. Fuck your cocky, I love blood clot me. Oi! Hey! Go and give them your blood clot, cocky and love blood clot. Me not a cocky masker, me not friend of a blood clot, cocky. Every night you turn your blood clot back, give me and put your hand between your legs. Me not keep no secret. You two and them, what more?
See nice good Queenie. What mama?
Hello, sexy girl. You
remember say when you did see me though?
Where?
when we did drive and you say, your mother that?
I want weed. Me no remember nothing. I weed. I'm sexy girl.
Not stress out yourself, you know?
Me not
Queenie.
My bad na blood clot.
Hey!
Stress out myself.
Don't ever fuck about. Queenie, don't let no.
You look so nice. Nobody not fucking.
Come here.
No, but you done
weed.
You done
Yeah,
deal
we
with
need
all
some.
them. See, I'll come inside.
Come.
Me not come in there no cause
You know what?
champagne.
Live, I go cut
Remember
off.
champagne when they
He's
trouble me.
a pussy.
No,
Come.
me not going there.
What
Just
you mean?
get me a
We're going
spray.
in there.
Come on, Queenie.
No, sir. Just
What you mean? He uses the
get
chat
me the
to.
weed, eh?
Champagne when we get mashed up in his own
No,
party.
no, no. I'm not like that. You
Joking,
just too last
I'm
week in trouble me. I'm just telling my blood clot man as who I am.
As
Cause
you
I can't
always
take
do.
hypocrite. You know, just get me the Swift and come
Queenie.
back. Eh? Baby, get me the Swift,
I
man.
am,
You
but
look nice.
Thank you, but Queenie, listen. Don't insane these little pussies.
Any blood clotting, I want entertain me.
All right,
I cover too long do me that. You know, like me, I cover for blood clot, do it through marriage. Me have enough for blood clot this now. No, name and blood clot share. Me I still gonna come talk about my abusive. I am getting blood clot abuse as much. That's why I start to return back the blood clot favor. I want to fucking feel like to my all and I think I can't style blood clot. Me a bad girl. I'm gonna take walk over. You hear that? I'm not blood clot. Me you done the dep on the internet. You ever see me put my pin in them on the internet yet? No. Because me and them don't have an internet life. Now you're married on the blood clot internet. You did like it. You did love every moment of blood clot. So much somebody are influencing you now. Press button of blood clot, do we? Me they tell her this evening. When you ask yourself, I said, do we do not speak to me like that, do we? Speak to me with respect. Yeah, make it look like me not counter like me and nobody and you not appreciate nothing at all. Me do you just want to look on the wrong side and the bad side. I did want you know do it. So do it. I'm fed up. I beg my daughter talk to you. I beg my brother talk to you. You know what blood clot people I call for counsel? You say you don't want no counseling. You say you don't want to go to church. So you left me alone in all the marriage. I'm married to myself. So since I've married to my blood clot self now, me I talk out all on a blood clot deeds. You know what something for eat me for? When I get blood clot, something for eat my blood clot for. Your mama was blood clot back. I come chat blood clot me. Let me tell you something on that. Anybody who want to send come kill blood clot me, I'm ready for no kill blood clot me because I'm not God. Anybody, whether you're there at Jamaica and I chat and I laugh and I make me for mockery. Remember, me no live past sidewalk. On no liberty taking a blood clot and tell your son. Same for me, my same is a husband. So when him come report back, I come talk about my mother says she no want crazy her yard. And my brother say, when you report back, look into yourself as a blood clot man. You should have shame of your blood clot self. You have wife a carrying a mama house. Mama rent blood clot house. My mama no live in a rent house. I'm not show off for uno. Uno live in a people blood clot rent house who come show off for me, but cool blood clot uno. Nobody no more than blood clot nobody, because you know what happened? The whole of our blood cut out away. And so because my son undermine my marriage and fight against my blood clot marriage, that's why I fight against the nasty blood clot. That's why I name and shame on a pussy blood clot. You see all your dirty blood clot, brother, over Greater Portmore. Your bad color copper blood clot. Come kick me in my face, Mary, when you see me. Come kick me in my blood clot face. None of blood clot, you can't talk to no dirty blood clot. Yeah. From March the 25th, when me and him have the argument for Mother's Day and him father talks to him, never talk back to him blood clot father because him father said, married something for your Anna. Married, what my baby? Married something for your Anna son. And because your father was on my side, I tell us to protect your marriage. You never speak back to your daddy, Dewey. So Dewey, me not impress no blood clot drunk up on internet. Me I express myself and I let out my blood clot steam. Because if me not let it out tonight, me I go drive blood clot mad. If me no want to drive mad, me I class out to no nasty blood clot. One of the sit down in a silent and a chat blood clot me. Your mother, your brother, and your baby mother and yourself. Your friend them and your girl them. And I sure up my blood clot saga. I said, do it. Stop it. Hello, my darling. Blessed love.
Baby. I was upset.
I like my depan. I said, do it. Stop it. Remember, say, me and you married and we becomes one. I said, do it. Stop let people influence you. Do it. People been saying so when you come at England, you got turn against me. Do it. I preach like blood clot, Paul. You want to make me look like my old and sad and desperate. Me no blood clot desperate do me no fucky like blood clot. The gal them you itch up blood clot with. All of the gal them you have 100 blood clot man already. Do you love what less blood clot fuck? So when you come talk about you.
Youngster, good morning.
Morning, blessed love. When you come talk about you hear me in the kitchen, don't fabricate no blood clot story in this because if me did have one backup man for blood clot suck up my pussy do it. Right now, I'm going to sit down in a blood clot face because you know want to suck pussy. You know suck pussy, you know mind me. You know help me. You know motivate yourself. You want to show off for me. You want hype for me. You want to give me attitude. Do it. Welcome to the dirty blood clot wife for your take up. What Caesar want, Caesar get what Caesar blood clot want. My granny said, who can you feel? Remember a couple hours ago I talk to you. Blessed love, madam. I said, Dewey, deal with me with respect. I put a lot of work in to make you come to England. Dewey, stop take me for blood clot walk over. When me I talk to you now, and it's very provoking and you know the car run 8 blood clot hours some man and I talk to everybody and you know talk to me. And me come in I car and talk to you. You know talk to me, so I say go. Because you don't happy. Then they start show off. Oh, my cousin say, Mom, why you in a car do you for come in? So your cousin them a set up your marriage? You know, see, I want like a blood clot, papi show a press button. Are you? Your cousin the dead when you're married to me? Your cousin the dead when you came to the... It not look blood clot good, not look good because people cover up them dirty disgrace. Me not cover up no disgrace. Wanna get me when me and him nice, when him there on my back. Wanna swear me and him are married, I wanna get it nice. Well, now it dirty, me not cover dirty, up. Mommy. Because that's how life go. That's why it get dirty. Life cut like a blood clot knife. You think you left me alone in this time, mad? I lie your blood clot, tell everybody I go talk and laugh. And ooh, and shape with them blood clot shape. You know, come run and left blood clot me. Every minute I run. Me at the airport and my ball after you. You make people tell you I'm a beat you off. But you did that trace blood clot me. And none of the drunk of them not hear you trace blood clot me. Them don't know say I'm out filthy more than blood clot my own. And you run. And I said, Dewey, you can't run and left me with a 4 suitcase. Come. You run like me have gun like me a killer. When you're married to blood clot, me find I run like fool. I want to blood clot you. You're dirty blood clot friend named Banger. Skirmish blood clot Banger. Marga Ch3at blood clot damn Banger. Come lick out my bleeding blood clot. Dirty Banger. Me not afraid of blood clot you. Do it dirty blood clot from Waterhouse. When me hear a class me yesterday. Because do we not send money come here for you go to court. Do we not have no blood clot money for go no. We no move on no blood clot, no licky no blood clot. We no love call people Batman. But no love sit down and wait for man for go no them blood clot things. Do we can barely survive for helping blood clot self. And you diss him up yesterday. And when me hear you diss him, I say, do we never know say you come here for mine, take your money and send go Jamaica go give man. And you tell me, so I'm not forgetting involved. I say you can't blood clot tell me that because you're my husband. And I send for you, them I pressure you. No right, you not give me no nothing. No blood clot right. Every time I talk, you shut me down. But through my bad no blood clot, you can't shut me down, do it. And that's why you say you can't blood clot stand up to me. Because it's a chicken blood clot head. Me tell you, boy, don't make me name and shame you. Because you're not going to marry to me, confuse me. Make me a hype and a show off and I say, oh, all who don't marry is bad. I was so into my wedding, you know. I'm going to beg you today. I'm going to see a show off and see me upon the light post. See me with him look a profile. I'm going to say, Dewey, where you going for me there I talk to you? Me can't get to him no matter what. Nobody can talk to you. See me upon the light post. I mean, I can't for 8 hours, you know. And the moment me come in at the car, I talk to him. Him get up and up on the light post. And I said, you know that you don't have no feelings to me and care about me. And it wasn't like that when me there at Jamaica. When me there at Jamaica, you itch up on my blood clot. But no, I don't know what's flying on your head now. So you think me I got keep silent and cover up and say, how I've got a beautiful wedding. It was blood clot beautiful. But nothing lasts forever. That's why I take my chance when it comes. You hear that? Enjoy it while it lasts. But you come blood clot, I come tell people about, oh, my mother and my brother say, them no want crazy around on me yard. They should even repeat that out of your stinking blood clot mouth. You as a husband, to stand up and take care of your blood clot wife. You don't know what to repeat. You will learn from blood clot. This is if you don't learn, you're going to your shell, go ball like how you ball when they did a bash blood clot you last week. Or you're crippling at the blood clot house and take it out for me. I'm going to say, do you not go class them? You're going to take it out for me and I'm idiot. You jinx your blood clot self, I tell me. Go and go put it on social media. Go, you know, see you jinx your blood clot self. You don't even know your worth. You don't even know your powers. You know how much time I tell you say you're powerful, you do it. Wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. When you shut down in a talk to no blood clot, but then I come tell me about your baby mother are gonna shoot me. Trisha. Trish. There's so much time I calling him. Trisha from Painland. Trisha from Waterford. And Trisha with the America. Brooklyn, Flatbush. Dewey baby mother. The whole heap of people know her. Not send no threat to me, Trisha. Because God is my witness. My guidance and my protection. You hear that? I'm not afraid. I have no fear. You think you can stop me from going to Jamaica and do it? You think you can do it? When do you tell me yesterday, say no? Trisha say, anyway, you go back to our internet, go call her name. I said, do I won't have to call Trisha name? But no draw blood clot me out now. Your man where you kill blood clot me and a warbear working iniquity blood clot, you know. Him no warbear cause no can't warbear blood clot me. Cause I still stand up to the last I fight for my wedding. Warbear working conniving bomber wall. Him no warbear not blood clot me. Not warbear can't take me. Iniquity worker pussy wall. Him no turn against me. Me one nice sweet cantankerous soul. Remember me tell you that. Trisha say, anytime you go back to Jamaica, Dewey, you afraid of Trisha family them? Me not afraid of none of Trisha blood clot family all when me not know them. Me not afraid of none of blood clot on a Painland. I mean no one of them on my page. Look for me in my eye. Me not afraid of none of you. So if you feel like you can't check me over Trisha cocky where Trisha kill his blood clot cocky where she never want. Come into blood clot, idle cocky. And me take it and put label to it. Don't this me do it. Don't blood clot this me do it. Because no girl never gain a status. Them just come use you and blood clot abuse you and left your blood clot standing on and eat the June plum tree. Remember the good no man? Some big blood clot. You should have 10 blood clot mansion. Them should have motivated you like how me motivate you do it. You never have a license. You never have a passport. You never have a TRN number. You can't style blood clot me and me come see you when you are 31 with 31 blood clot girl by your phone. Canada girl are this me. Me see all one of them right one time. I hope you're not sucking her pussy. And me say, do it. You were a man when you suck pussy and lick against blood clot suck pussy. Oh girl for come by your phone, come tell you them things there. You sit down and you entertain blood clot girl pit against me. And true me tell you, say, do it. No girl is not no threat to me. I don't care. You are a threat to me. You think you can't take me for walk over to you see me humble. I want to do it. There comes a time when you need a certain blood clot called wake blood clot up and sell the blood clot coffee. Remember you ran yesterday, you know, for around 1 o'clock in the day, you know. I never see it till 12 after 12 last night. Come there ball at them. I say, crazy, I'm hungry. I say, cool liberty. I still get to put on my blood clot bed, carry off 5 food. Remember you run way again at airport, you know. Run like some headless chicken. You now run. Me tell you, say, yesterday, my mark X. Me say, another day now run. You now run from blood clot. Me again do it. Run to your cousin where you say, your cousin say, I want to your dog, come in. And them I encourage you. And them now tell you to stand up as a man with your blood clot wife for putting so much weight for your day or so. Where you tell me send you back to your yard. But you will go back in due time, do it. Me now to send you back because me no want that for my blood clot head. Show off bring disgrace. Do you can't show off for me, do it. You don't have no stability, you don't have no brains, do it. Do when me wake up on the 15 blood clot something, you're still in the bed, lie down on the phone, do you can't chat to all blood clot, great pussy Queenie. I'm fully active. I'm fully full of energy. I'm focused. I'm loyal. Don't blood clot paint no picture about your ear on phone with man. Don't paint no picture, do it. Don't try that. Do we have my password? The last time when the man sent me him cocky picture from blood clot Montego Bay, not my beer, from Mandeville. Me not keep blood clot secret because I have none. I just hold on things that when my head take me and nobody trouble me, I talk. And when the man send me the cocky blood clot picture, I delete it. You know when you delete it and it's in the rubbish? It's in the rubbish blood clot heap. And I said, do me never tell this man to send me him cocky, you know. I'm a voice note the man and tell the man my blood clot man. Say, listen, I take you out for 2 weeks when me did blood clot singer. No, me married, don't blood clot send me them voice note. They don't try to twist it, do it, because me not play a blood clot round, do it. Me can't get man for use, me abuse, me fuck, me lick, me bite, me charm me. That's not my aim. My aim is to secure with my husband and keep my energy. You fuck too much people, them take away your energy. So do it, don't try and blood clot blame me for feel better about yourself, because you know a liar tell like a bumble wall. A liar blood clot tell do it. You impress the dirty blood clot girl, and that good that today in them head, but them a go fuck by you do it. Do it, them a go fuck pan blood clot, because all them will come to Jamaica, come fuck you, them fuck 6 man with you. Who fuck you tonight and then you can't get them for the rest of the week? Don't make me done no blood clot. Do from me come to Jamaica, me itch up on blood clot. You never come out of the blood clot, jump on plea bed. Till you could have diss me. Till you could have turned it around against me and tell me about the people them say everywhere me go if me have to carry. So who you want to carry? Or who you want to go with? One of the time you tell me about you want some people to go party with. Me say, who else would you want to go party with? You just come here. You're ungrateful piece of shit. You say you're not ungrateful, you're an ungrateful piece of shit. But you know what? And I mean you're ungrateful to your own self. You know what? Nothing do it. Do it, you see if you was a gold digger and you was a man where even watch my blood clot money do it, would I feel like better. I feel better, I feel worse because it's a cruff do it. Do you know why I'm a class you do it? You're worthless no blood clot, you have no motivation do it. Do me could have talked till to that kingdom come. Do make me you go through there, you know go. Do make me you go counsel, you know go. Nothing when I put blood clot to you, you know do it, do it. Do it, move your blood clot. You come tell me move my blood clot. You start the dissing. That me did why you start. Because I say everybody I come talk about, oh she abuse him. And I say, So I still now listen to your background, the man a class me. Through my voice louder than film. Yeah. So all Ch3at, everything when I say real, you know. All if me no remember blood clot and I talk it come back to me, you know. Remember good not do it. You get your chance, brother. So all I come talk about, keep your business off of, move on a blood clot and I love it. Keep a kind of business off of internet. I don't want silent blood clot mad over boy. Me not silent pussy hole mad, loudly fucking crazy. You know, in a house, I style me, I turn back. Every night you turn your back. And you lap your 2 hands between your foot. You never know me that got name and blood clot shame you. Hi, baby. You never know me that got talk out the deeds them. Go! After me not desperate blood clot Ch3at. Me no want on a blood clot girl, you know. Me no fuck you, and me can't do without fuck her. 1 year me single for. When the next blood clot man tell me, say, Jay, me never happy with you none at all. For the 5 years. Me I say, Then me for did they with a man when not happy with blood clot, me not desperate. I'ma move on. So you come go like me, I tie you down like you mind me. You mind me? You blood clot mind me, man for mine, woman. You not mind me, but you want hype for me, you want show for me. You go shop. You go buy a drink, you remember for buy one. Through me a hug, and I can't do everything. I tired of blood clot, you dirty blood clot. Do you come go like you bargain? You're not a bargain, you say, me take care of you. Me, Queenie. Take care of you from my heart. I pamper you. You get too much blood clot pampering. I left you to the dog bite, dirty blood clot girl them out there who want money. Because 3/4 of the girl them think say you have money and want you want them out my money. But me no old fool. Me be a fool if I want to be a fool. But you can't take me for no fool. So all of them they out there where you sit down. And the royalty money them did that wait blood clot for. You think them love you genuine for you? Or you just going to get up and just go relax and life just alright and you get over Queenie? Them I got to say he's a lazy mother blood clot fucker. A man you know put no impetus and nothing. Me I run car and tell a Jamaica to blood clot and do if me not tell us if you check the tracker where they carry them, they you not done nothing. You not ask how much money come in, you not scared about nothing, you not sturdy, you not watch nothing. Move your dirty blood clot. Me have enough of you. Do it. Tell them say 2021 when me you go up on stage in the red and white. You not go watch back on stage. My heart a bleed. Me dash the blood clot ring. The engagement ring. Right out of Bridgeport. Right at Bridgeport school. I saw a man. I'm going to pull up at the man foot because I immediately go drive, go do the interview. I want to do it. You sit down and you free me. I sit down and you make people disrespect me. I say, do it. Me and you are one. And me and you, by you not speaking to me on the plane, and then me hear you talk to your cousin, I tell your cousin, say, my God, that's why I come out and I shout for you. Fix it. Fix it because when them a tear you down, them a tear down me as well. No, the people them are done with our internet and you cause it. Are the two blood clot I will cause it and you blame my feet. I'm a beg your husband. So do it, fix it. And you didn't fix it. Me now come back on a plane. Me now go back on the internet. Me now ever go on a plane. And me say, watch a little fool here. Me was work so hard. So make you read somewhere in your life for me and you make life. You go straight back in my face because of people. I wanted to work a long time to do it. But I just never know how come I'm mad over your marriage. I'm mad over you. When you see your behavior, you say me here your boss, say your mother, your brother done me with this. So I want to come on the yard. I say, but look and do what's supposed to take care of me. Make a reason now, brother. You come tell me for move my blood clot. Don't draw my blood clot tongue, do it. You draw my tongue, me will talk the blood clotting, then come in and have no shame. Oh, no shame. Remember your brother did tell me I'm married to you. You see him, brother. So me don't know what you're married to him for. Hello, darling. Remember good no man? You want blood clot internet disgrace? Don't blood clot test me. But you come here to come talk after you know say in your heart. So you abuse me. Mentally, physically, and spiritually. And through my all. Chasing me, oh, Dewey, do you know me love you? I don't want to lose you. Of course I don't want to lose you. But now I don't give a flying fuck like you. Come and see the cold blood clot chef for you show me. When you come tell me about, you don't talk, go on in the house now. And I say, what? Where you do? Limitize me and talking with you? But you're up on the phone all day. All of who send for blood clot, you hope when me don't talk and name and shame, them stand by you forever. That me have to tell you, do it. And you stand up on your blood clot foot. Because the shame of going in a march. When I shame on a blood clot family, never good enough. You all hate. All the name say, oh, my fucking crazy. You don't call me a blood clot crazy. My name Janice. When I come call my blood clot crazy, that's my signature name. My name crazy. So hear the mother now. Do it. My fucking crazy. I'll do what she say. She not sorry, but she apologize. I forgive her, and you for forgive her. And the man hold a piece of blood clot hardened upon him mother, I see. And him gone, you know. And I say, look on the sun where you kill up yourself for. Look on that even you can't talk to him. Thank you, baby girl. Give me a look at that disgrace, yeah. You look so cute.
I don't know. I went to West End, you know I don't just have these little yardie places. I went West End earlier.
Yeah, girl, you look so nice.
Thank you.
Me cover your track the way. Me go up on internet and literally show them my ugly pussy where they fear the way.
Queenie, what?
And when me do all of that, you're still in our house now, talk to me and I turn your back, give me a lap. You move your dirty blood clot and allow me. While if a girl out there wait for your cocky and you were comfortable with them, go on. Allow the old cantankerous witch. Blood clot, me have enough for him, baby girl. I swear to Almighty God. Fucking rude, you know. You know what bun me? Me sit down in the back of the car with him in a whole day and I said, Dewey, baby, you see your granny was dead when you Mrs. Scarlett when I get her name where you idolize? use her and know say she'll look down for you and cut out the fucker or marry Dewey. This not healthy. We not war over woman, a foolishness we are war over. Let go this Dewey. Stop tens and Mr. Dewey.
Who are you arguing over? Someone over here or in
No,
Jamaica?
me not argue over no woman. Not him me argue about. Me see with that woman today, but I talk them a talk. Me can't. Me don't know
Yeah,
them
but
there.
I'm saying you're entertaining their fuckery. They're chatting shit.
What? Bless you, know. Nice to see you.
You have a lighter? Come and have no lighter.
Me get light up. I'm talk to my husband. I'm say, do it. You see them tension and them attitude. You not have attitude to me. Say, do it. No, do it. Me not get up and have attitude unless me say you lock down for me do it. Because me can't take bad energy. Remember from my customer done.
Yeah, I know, but Queenie, man, I don't know why you're giving these people
Go
what
like
they want.
Go like this. A long time them tell me say man I
Queenie's
go
trying
do
to
me
run
that.
me. I'm not, no. Excuse me, sir, have a lighter? Thank you.
Remember, you know, I tell me long time, say man no mean me no good at me. I say no, him love me. But he does love me. And I love where I war about you, so. A boundary, respect, loyalty, support.
Sorry,
This
sorry,
man
darling.
used to support me from a come here, from March. Him no want go nowhere with me again. When me I go, me look show them, him no want go. Him want brethren for go. And me say, yo, you gotta sit down and wait for brethren for go. To support your wife. You're not ready for this, my youth. You're not ready for blood clot this. You're not a blood clot friend, I sit down every blood clot there. And now you're caca clot. You're the man, dirty blood clot banger, stinking bummer. You mean afraid that you're not banger. Be everybody you go around, you diss them. So me diss back your blood clot, come here, you diss my husband. So for yesterday, me not take the life for you, no banger. But to do we run the left from yesterday? Yesterday, and come back up. Me not have to do them something there. Me not pitney. Me never married man for every minute. I run. Every time I say something to me, I run like blood clot idiot. Go on. How you make the people them say me beat you? Tell them you a beater, man. Tell them you want beat a dirty blood clot, man. And when you hold blood clot, man, I can't move.
Tell him, Bomba cut the bastard outside cold. Come on to your woman, boy. Come home.
Me don't want him come home. Me don't want him come home and I beg him too much. Me tired right now. Me not desperate, you know, Rebecca.
I know.
Baby, me tired that I swear to Almighty God. Me take how much in oat from morning. From yesterday, I left the way, you know. From I said, do we run away yesterday?
It's from yesterday.
Yesterday,
Queenie,
run away
yesterday's not long.
yesterday.
Yesterday's not long, Queenie. Queenie said from yesterday, like yesterday was 10 years ago. No, yesterday was the other day.
No, but from yesterday, we give up.
Yeah, but Queenie,
When
man.
I look at the comment, them all them strong.
Fuck them, man. They want entertainment. They like it. They like the fuckery.
I am an entertainer.
Yeah, I know that,
Whether
but
with
no,
my
you
real
and
life
your man is not entertainment.
Or with my everyday
You
life.
and your man is not entertainment, Queenie. Fuck them, man.
We
Fuck
are,
these
you know.
idiot people,
Them
bruv.
should have married to me.
I don't give a fuck. Fuck these idiot people. None of them pay you.
None of them
do
are, none of
nothing.
them trouble me. Them
You
are
need to put
listen.
on badges on there.
Them
Them
like the big
blood
stuff.
clots at them. Because they're fucking nasty. I can't stand them.
To God be the glory. Great things he has done. And give us the victory again. Praise the Lord. My pitney just dead, not even here yet. You run left me when my pitney in the hospital. You run left me before you come to England. Move your blood clot. You know, no more running. Go and go running from my next command. I make Trisha over there wait for you. We are anchor for your blood clot. Kaki, we should not get back. Because she fly up. When she fly to America, you not agree. She thinks she not going to get back your kaki. A kaki on a war for. My war for dignity and pride and respect. That me a war for.
No, Queenie.
No, come go like you know we're going in a people married blood clot life. You know, so one confrontation. The one on a jump to conclusion. Two with blood clot wicked and disgraceful. But I don't lie.
Bomba cut running their dogs.
The one with two with disgraceful. Yeah, man. And you come right about me for move my blood clot. I'm just there at the house today. You pack your suitcase. I'm say, you know what? I'm not stay there for see me come out with them suitcase. So I left. I'm do my video. Since I didn't want to stand by me, I'm buy my blood clot. Beg you split now. Please.
Yeah. Give it.
I don't mind if it's Marga.
You see what I'm saying? This I don't fuck with people. Rallying, fuck you.
Thank you, baby. All of the challenge, what may I get? God want me challenge it. To see if me I go stand up or me I go break. If Rachel not break me, do it can't break bumper pussy blood clot me. You may call my mother vexed me all this evening. I say, do it. All BJ vexed me because of the incident at the airport. All me tell you that you don't have no sympathy. You don't have no, what the judge said, leniency. Me I say, do you want to the nicest so me I have? Nothing you know, remember. You just a feed my cold, you don't have no feelings. So you don't have no feelings, go on about your blood clot business. And low blood clot. Me now come pretend and pretty up for nobody. Oh, them got, we don't come back. Me not have on the blood clot ring. Tomorrow me just get on the grave, go dash it, pussy clot. Me don't want it.
No, you're not gonna do that.
I am gonna do that.
No, you're not gonna do that.
You don't know what me I gonna do, girl.
You don't want to do that. Why would you do that? For what reason?
Me gonna dash
Yeah,
the ring
because
tomorrow.
your head's hot right now. It's
I
all
hope
fresh.
tomorrow at CM.
No, your head's hot right now. It's all fresh. Like, fuck them, man. This is what they like. They like all of this fuckery.
A long time never wait for it. That's why I get it.
7,000 fucking people.
I attended the on it earlier on. Me sorry them could have smelled. Me sorry them could have smelled all my blood clot.
Oh my
right
God,
now.
Queenie, there's 7,000 people in your life. That is very giving me, what do you call it? No, hold on a minute. That gives me anxiety. Oh my God.
I saw me get anxiety when doing that house and not talk to me. And you know what? I can walk and them screw up him face. I said, do one thing, nothing. Me can't live so. Me not sad and blood clot desperate.
Rebecca, you
Me am my own boss.
Let me say I got stitched by the Queenie. They don't know where we come from.
Me not switch by you.
They don't know where we come from. They don't know that you know it's for a little
fucking right about me for move my blood clot. You want to come contest me on internet? Really? Do it. Tell me I want drunk with your dead meat like your wife, no man. Talk it truth, no do it, man.
So what? Sorry, I'm reading these comments. These comments are so funny.
No, it's time I read all the comment them with them. I say, but them people are bright, no
They're
blood
funny.
clot. But they on Instagram one day, I saw a woman write. Your husband a cheat on you on the avenue. That's before him come in and a man and them fuck. The girl called me. And the girl give me the bill and the receipt. I said, send. No, I call Dewey. I said, Dewey. One girl said, send me the girl picture. And him give me the girl picture. I'm going to send it to her. But look how much things I forgive you for. Look how much blood clot. Remember, I know Dewey. The Jeep where you see a man go look and buy, you know. You there at Jamaica, you take it all over with beer, blood clot, girl in it, and you lick it and mash it up. And when you mash it up, you fix it and them get a different color, you know, tell me. I'm going to come at Jamaica, I see it a whole heap of fuckery you do. A whole heap of deceiving, you deceive me. I'm going to forgive you. You're un blood clot kind. Do it, I come back to England. Me and you rent the man car for 8 months, me and you there at Jamaica. I don't know if nobody there on this member when I come back, him crash the car. As I left, you go look for a girl at Spanish Town. You want me to talk out your dirty blood clot deal, do it. I want to you. Him go look for the girl, him and the Rasta man. That Spanish Town go look for the girl. And I saw the car crash.
Over there.
When me and him there at Jamaica, I'm come up back in May. And the same night I come up, the car crash, I have to pay for fix the people them car. All when me fix it, all when the car want to fix your style, me do it.
Come to the shop, we're going to go buy it.
You have girl in your house. The same blood clot also you come show about your mother say. Your mother and your brother say. Them no walk crazy in them house. How you for repeat that out of your mouth? See, some not feeling. Not come blood clot talk. You don't know where I go on in a people married life. You don't get 5% out of where I go on. I don't know the next bomber blood clot for 95. Fuck you no feel like. Me I want vagabond. Me I want all rich. Me dangerous, awful and disgusting. Me terrible. Me not take blood clot, fuck me and walk over unless me want to take it. I said, they take it and swallow my spit. And you rock my go. You rock my blood clot. Come on, every minute you come to me. What on internet? What, Mama Dan? What on internet? Yeah, come tell me what on internet. Don't dear blood clot. What on internet? Your husband. You're supposed to take your wife and say, Queenie, certain things that you let go. You sit down every night, you browse. Me not browse. You listen to what everybody say about you. You go on all of the blogger them page. And you listen, you provoke yourself. And when you provoke your blood clot self, you want to turn this from a feel like me, I want all rich. I mean, I deserve blood clot love and attention. I deserve all the love and attention what you used to give me. And when you're not giving me, I'm supposed to rebel. Come work hard and put whole heap of weight for you. Stand up for you. I defend you when I say you're not body. And who you. Remember good. Blood clot you feel like me motivate you. You say steps and measures. The whole world want to know you're not run down June plum. Dewey! And I run you down. And them love you because you love me. Now you come. You want to come soft for me and tell me for move my blood clot. Like how you frame me with a big dirty plaster, the big white dirty plaster. One little cocoa you get. Come here, drink the one out of the glass. It's not like.
I'm sorry, I should laugh, but you said that one little cocoa.
One little cocoa you get. Look how much blood clot something him do me. Me I do video shoot. You fight my whole blood clot nights in the video in the hotel. Me have to bite off your blood clot finger. And that was when November 2021, whenever I'm married yet. Talk no do it. Or you fight my whole blood clot nights in the people them hotel. And when your finger reaching I'm like, talk no do it. Me for move my blood clot. Do we enough for cover and hold fear. The blood clot, you know much woman get abused.
They said that, listen. Hi.
What did you buy? Blood clot, oh you. I want to answer tonight. A pure hot girl. He's not a flop girl.
Tell them, put your money where your mouth there. Oh, we say
Gina,
outside.
Gina met that with her.
No, I'm not billing up for 50. You're spoiled because we're supposed to have movie night, and I feel that when you're upset, you need movie night. You need movie night. When you're upset, you need a movie night. You need to go watch some movies with us. You don't like when we chat about the fuckery. Oh my God, gangster. You know you need a movie night with me. You lot on Instagram.
Yes, you know that.
Hold that. What do you say about slimmers?
The cup. The cup must check. But you can't style blood clot. And then they play hard and then for me I tell you if I will do it. If you don't want the relationship go. No long me I tell you that. Every day you run you say you go away. You know show up for me I tell me about cousin say dog how you do? I want to your dog. I want to your dog. Come in dog. What madam? You can't deal with me them way. I'm sit down and like me not have no blood clot feelings and me not have no value. Fuck you feel like. You know one defensive wife you get. I don't know idiot blood clot wife. Me a top girl. Fuck you feel like. I work hard for reach where me I go. Do you think you can come here now and call low mind blood clot me with friend and company? People are look work for you. Yeah, hide and whisper. You know remember so in your papers to go in. Go your blood clot yard at Jamaica back and Greater Portmore. Since I just say you want to go back. Go back! And a blood clot stay your aunt me. And take me for a blood clot dry ride. Fuck you feel like. What happened? My nice man, bless up. Yeah. I have enough. You think I them say who have the first blood clot laugh and a laugh. You hear that? You know much laugh, you laugh after me. All when I break it down to me say, do it. You see if Mose was strong, man. You see the way you deal with me? But I go pal one of them building there and jump down. I see like how you run from me. Don't take no weak woman, because if you take a weak woman, ask him. I say if you take a weak woman when you talk to themselves and full of chat like me, You got strain them brains and rub out them blood clot nerves that them want. No blood clot, boy, nah blood clot. Make me jump off and no building a clot out to no blood clot. Dirty blood clot. Go! Me know why your family like me. More of them shame on the one side and cripple. See I come on the one side and feel blood clot fuck up. Where they wanna laugh after me. Boy, your mother said she no want crazy at your yard. What the fuck me do at your yard, woman? Tell your son some have blood clot ambition and put him wife somewhere. And don't come go like some non-ambitious. He's an ambitious blood clot dirty woman. You hear that? You don't stink no blood clot. You don't stink like how under my arms stink. And none of them can do me nothing. All when them ignorant I want to kick out my blood clot. Because I know if him catch blood clot me, I'm not afraid of you do it. And the wickedest thing is when I'm ignorant, I fight out blood clot. You see, woman, and a back and belly blood clot rat. I don't want none of blood clot, you know. I feel like you can't sell me out. Patronize me. I don't want to patronize. I might want a tunnel or a shower of support. But I don't want to patronize me. I'm sorry for me. This is my journey. And me have to do it. You hear that? Respect, but me hear them I say I don't respect my husband. I do respect my husband. But there's levels and limits. May I talk, may I act, may I beg, may I ball, may I have enough of blood clot to do. Man for mine, woman, you know, mine blood clot, I'm second for less because I love. Me not pressure you. I talk anything I want to talk, Rebecca. When you're in a party and I chat to blood clot people and this people, you don't know. Low blood clot me, Rebecca. Now come tell me what I'm for do.
I'm not telling you what
The
to
man
do.
who married to me.
I'm not telling you
What if stop me from do all a blood clot this?
I'm not telling you what to do.
Okay.
I tell you what to do.
Oh, so when you're in a party and see people are rude to them, you express yourself. Well, yes, I may express myself. Me give the man chance today and tell him, I said, Dewey.
I thought that's Queenie. What on Queenie?
Hey, blessed love you now, darling.
Love of the family.
Yeah, man, more life.
Say no.
Thank you. I said, Dewey, stand by me. You're married to me. You give me a name. I beg you. Dewey, don't make me get ignorant and go back into it. You come add up with blood clot, dirty Queenie. I come right, move your blood clot, and I come tell lie for me, boy, you see me hear with man, you know, not tell no lie for me, do we? Yes, you did hear me with a man, but not the ex-man where you tell lie for. Come in and talk to that blood clot, man, and tell no lie for me, do we? Yeah? I'm not business, you know, but they don't tell him to make it reach to this. Boy, now you tell me, go. You want blood clot, go. Every minute you run like a some dolly blood clot. So not dolly house me a play. You stand up in your marriage and protect your blood clot marriage. And I tell you, so, when me there, remember them lock me up, them handcuff me at airport, you know. Me get handcuffed, you know. And I mean in a bash and class. I'm not saying nothing, I hold it. Because of my mouth. Talk to me nice, man. Talk to me nice. All on a blood clot girl say, boy, I put a little weight and look good and they are foreign. When I screech and make complain. When I watch my life, I relate back to him. Oh, I know, say, me Queenie attack. And you got to tell people, boy, you're upset with me because me there on live I throw word per woman. So why me for throw word per one blood clot, dirty bitch will feel up in front of me. The girl coming on. Oh. And lead up on the right so and do it the right so she come right so take the picture and she have her hand so feel up the way, you know. But through the feel up and nothing to me not pay it no mind. When she go right so she all do it and I draw do it and you know. Cause he used to fuck it, you know, she has 62 minutes. He used to fuck it so she give him them body already. And you can come call blood clot do it. I come tell do it but I know say me Queenie are talk, you know. And then you know do it, I go relate it back and I go so you're ignorant for me. You're ignorant for me. So what you want to tell me? So you for be my husband. And girl feel you up beside me and I take it and I say nothing. I mean you can't talk about I remember I not call the woman name, you know. You know I'm mischief maker. You know so indicted. You can't create no smell my arm man. Blood clot. Smell out that. Sniff out my arm. Sniff it like when I sniff blood clot, Mali, and coke. I sniff them, sniff Mali, or them take it.
Coke.
Sniff me. Sniff.
Coke. Cocaine, they sniff it.
Dewey, my arm might stink right now because I set up a me no care stinking pussy. Me, no personal hygiene. Dewey, remember every blood clot, you put your cocky in me, your cocky blood clot. Where's that name?
No.
Your cocky mash up.
No.
Dewey, tell your girl when I make complaint to you and I set you against myself. Every time you put your cocky in me, your cocky cut up because my pussy tight in a blood clot. Are you talk and you put Vaseline on it? Do it. So me don't have a pussy problem. Hello, sir. Oh, Auntie goes to work here. My husband left me, me don't have no husband. Yeah, do it. Do it and Scarlett. Do you know much girl me here disrespect me by your phone? Are you not defend me? Remember me, I am Pixie there at Jamaica, for my veranda at Jamaica. And one girl from Canada have done me, you know. One of your old fuck them. I sit down there, you know. I want me see you now defend me. I jump in it and say, blood clot girl. Why you never take him all along, you know him? Blessed love, madam. Thank you. I said to the girl, say, dirty blood clot girl, why you never take care of him all along, you know him? No, you want to come pass judgment against me. Enough time you not defend me, do it. But tell the girl them, say, my pussy scrape up your cocky. I have to take Vaseline and they're crazy. Every time I do something to me, you know. I said, do it? I'm like, the older I get, at the tighter my pussy is not my fault. So, me not have a pussy problem. And my pussy not stink. Because I have personal hygiene and I have 50 blood clot too. So I know if the pussy rank, for wet one rag, throw a little water upon it, I'll wipe it out so. And it get back blood clot fresh. Talk to me now, do it? You come tell me, move my blood clot. You sign your blood clot divorce warrant, do it? And then you come talk about, do it? Oh, I'm poor little youth. Poor little skittle blood clot youth. You don't think do we have somebody? You go here. I love him, because my husband, because he's married to me. And I think that trap me. I said, no man, I don't make no marriage trap me. Fuck that. You want married today, you know I'm married tomorrow. You want married yesterday, you know I'm married today. Go with your confused blood clot that come and me, them I say have mental health. Oh, if you have mental health and I try to save my marriage and you run. Yeah, come run. Me not do man nothing, you know. In front of this him yesterday, you know, I say, Matic, you say you're going to send me the money. I'm going to go to court Thursday. And I'm going to cut off friend Matic. And he was going on and on. And I said, do it if you bring Susie, man, this and that. And I say, but then I listen to the two of them and I say, but I never know you come to England for work and send your money go to Jamaica for man go court. And that I said to him, you know. And the boy send back 4 voice notice and start diss me. That I do with friend, you know. So when the man start this, me hear him now, no? If me never said nothing in a voice note, the man wouldn't tell him that. He said, me hear him say so. I said, listen. The boy want to tell her that long time, but him want your money, him not say nothing. The whole of them so long I chat a long time, because him said the man them a great a poor more and him a chat you. And him baby mother so you know bring no trainer see him. And I said, do you never tell him, say you just come a friend and you and your wife have been life and you know